singing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's all going to be about the Ring the Alarm Jaclyn and Morphe Hill collection palette. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this eye look, just go ahead and keep on watching and let's get started. So first things first, I went ahead and did my eyebrows and my foundation and a little bit of bronzer off camera. So for foundation today, I went ahead and used a different foundation, and that is the Maybelline and New York Fit Me foundation in the shade Sand Beige. So a little disclaimer, you guys, I got scratched the other day by a cat. Even though I don't own cats, and I'm not lying, I'm not trying to cover up the fact that I picked up my pimple the other day. Hopefully you guys don't get too distracted. And another thing is that my ojeras are literally no joke. They don't want to work with me today. Oh my god, this video is already starting bad. So just bear with me. So a quick little review on the palette. This is how it looks like from the front. Very shiny. Hello. So when you open it up, it comes with a little mirror. And these are all the shades. So before I start with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and place my tape. So for the first shade, I'm gonna take Rush, which is this shade right here, and it's orangey brown shade. So next, after you stamp the first eyeshadow along your crease, you wanna go ahead and blend it out. I honestly like blending my eyeshadow because not only does it give me the nice look, but it gives you that eyeball massage and it feels so smooth and nice because the bristles are very soft and you're going in circular motions. I wonder if someone has fell asleep while doing their makeup. After you're done blending out your eyeshadow and you're satisfied with it, I'm going to take Framed. It's this violet shade right here. And I'm going to place this shadow along my crease. Next, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild blending brush with a little bit of Rush to blend out the violet. So far, these eyeshadows are amazing. They're very pigmented, they have no fallout, and they're very easy to blend. I'm not even done yet, and look at, come on, like, it is so nice. Next, to halfway cut my crease, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer. I usually use the Alley Pro concealer, but I ran out of that one, so I'm using this one today. It still works the same. A little trick that I like to do to halfway cut my crease is to tilt my head, dot the center of my eyelid, and then I like to look up, and that's the highest point of the concealer is going to go. And then now onto the next eyeball, tilt your head. Dot the center, outline it all the way to the dot, and then fill it in. So after you halfway cut your crease, you want to go ahead and set it in place. And in the Ring the Alarm palette, they don't have like a translucent powder. So I'm going to take this shade right here, Poof, to set it in place. For glitter, the Ring the Alarm palette does have these beautiful glitter shades, and I think I'm gonna take this one. This is the shade Lolly. Next, after you popped on the shimmer on your concealer, you want to go ahead and take Framed and blend in from the outer corner to your shimmer. For the center to pop out, I'm going to take VIP, which is this shimmery white shade. I am taking this on my finger and just placing this in the center. Next, I want to go ahead and remove my tape. Once you remove the tape, it gives you that nice clean look. Next is applying my eyelashes, and for eyelashes I'm going to be using these Kiss eyelashes that I got from Rite Aid in the style Daisy. They look like this. So before applying falsies, I like to curl my eyelashes and then apply a little bit of mascara, and I like to use my favorite Proso mascara. my lower lash, I'm gonna take Siren. Since I already bronzed, I'm just gonna go ahead and move into my L'Oreal True Match to contour my face. So applying this contour on my cheeks, my jawline, underneath my lip, the sides of my nose, and my forehead, just to give my face a little bit of more color to it. I like to use my Sleek highlight palette. For the lips, I want to do something a little different rather than just using a nude lip color, and I feel like purple is appropriate for this look. So first I'm going to take this NYX lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral and outline my lips. Next, fill it in with this Jordana lipstick in the shade Matte Classy. To give my lips a little bit more of a pop, I'm going to go ahead and take this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Pink Sugar. At last, to set everything in place, I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. That is it, you guys. I am done. My thoughts on this palette, I really do recommend getting your hands on this palette. It is really amazing. It's really, really good quality. And yeah, if you guys like this look, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.